up here. You know what that means. Part 2. Wanna go first or me go first?
I'll try it out. It's like kind of a big like hop to get up there.
You gotta like, kind of like put your hand on one and like just jump up and you got your hands on there. Oh fuck, the bugs are back. I don't know what it is, but there's a lot of fucking bugs on this mountain right now. It's pissing me off. They're like flying all around me. So you just jump up, get your other hand on there, and then just like, you know, like start like walking up it, you know, and like get to the next one, then put your feet up. Make sure you jump. You gotta jump. No, jump. Just jump to it. There you go. Here, I'll show you how I do it.
I can't do a pull-up, dude.
You don't really gotta do a, well, you kinda gotta do a pull-up, but here's how I do it.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. Oh, shit. Damn.
God damn.
You said you forgot how scary it was? Bro, fuck these bugs, dude. Are they crawling on you while you're trying to go up there? One just went in my fucking mouth. God damn it. Good job, Mason.
God damn it. All right.
How do you feel?
The bugs are gonna get us. All right, we'll pull to my old crib. Here we go. There she is. And those pigeons are still fucking living in the same spot. 4250 West Camino, Asaquia. Damn.
Having rocks in your yard. There's just like a thing out here.
Yeah, because they can't like grow grass really.
But like,
damn,
they got
bro.
some grass.
That was the crib, bro. That was the old crib. Oh.
Like to maintain a lawn, you probably got to work really hard.